Now,
Okay.
I don't need to take out my gun.
Yes.
Me and another guy, and it's check. Then search, I take everything.
Welcome to Delft, one of the most dangerous places in Cape Town. Disclaimer: this video doesn't glorify any criminal activity, and please note that the content creator is not taking any gangster's side but just a middleman. You guys should pray for me because we're about to take a very biggest risk in our life. So yeah, let's go together to Delft.
So guys, we don't know if we are doing the right thing, but right now, as you can see, we're out here in Bella Mall. Bella is the place which is next to Delft. Delft is this side and Bella is that side. So right now we're waiting for the man who's gonna give us the tour inside Delft, and we're not gonna go there alone because we'll be robbed, you feel me? Unfortunately guys, we wanted to buy some food. There is KFC down there, as you can see, but we don't want to buy KFC, you know what I mean? We want that classy vibe. We want that, ghetto vibe, that location vibe. So we're gonna be ordering. They call it Inyamalem Shlopo, pub, and some, takeaways there in the location. So we're not gonna order this today. We're gonna be living the classy life there in Delft. Let's get it.
I always ask myself, why is it gangsters they're always fighting each and every day? But they were just questions with no answers, so I had to go and find out. What do they get out of fighting? Why are they fighting? Is it lack of employment? Is it poverty? We don't know. What about other civilians that are living in the environment? What about the other people? Are they safe? Are they not gonna be included? Are they not gonna be hit? We need this information. Luckily, we managed to get a man who is a gangster, who is also our tour guide. So he's gonna be breaking down and giving us the information that we need. Please note that this video is not to glorify any criminal activity or any fights or to cause any trouble. It's just a documentary that everyone might be interested in.
Yes.
That is our side of the streets.
Okay.
Glenburg, it's all 27 is in that side.
Oh, so 27 is a gangster here in Delft, Cape Town.
27 in Delft, Voorburg.
Okay.
Dus 27 is a gangster.
Okay.
And 28 is the other gangster. Nice times over the border.
Okay.
You understand? That is where things run. You understand?
Okay. So this is where you meet as gangsters, as 27s or?
27s and
Only.
28s. We
Only.
meet on this point. You understand? That is our point. You understand, you know?
Yes.
We also good people to the community, but we also only defend ourselves. You
Yes,
understand?
yes.
That's the point of this thing.
Okay.
We are not want to be in this thing, but we are just victims
Okay, but
of the circumstances of this thing.
okay,
Understand?
so you're saying you don't attack the community, you only fight as gangsters only.
We only fight according to our rights. You understand?
Okay.
What is right
Okay.
to our community. You understand? You know?
Okay, but the most question my people want to know is, why is it gangsters they're always fighting? Why are you guys fighting?
Because sometimes we fight over territory or the territory. Sometimes we fight over.
So I kept on asking him. He was saying they fight over territory, and sometimes they fight because some of the gangsters, they'll come in their territory and kill some innocent souls. There's one thing that I liked about gangsters. They don't attack civilians. They don't attack innocent people that are living in the community. They'll only fight between themselves.
So how long have you been in 27? How did you join the 27?
I've been long in the game, but I'm at 27 now for about 7 years.
For about 7 years?
Yeah.
Okay, so if you want to leave 27, is it possible to leave 27 and join 28 or to join another gangster?
No.
It's not possible.
If you're gonna be 27 and you must suck the blood.
Yes.
Because only 27 we only look blood.
Yes.
Understand? If you go and join the other gang,
Now you're a snitch.
then you are snitch and our
have to
gang.
die now.
You're not anymore. You can't
Yeah,
be
now you're
28 and you were 27
you
before.
can't. Now you're snitching.
Yeah.
Okay, so you said this area is called what?
That is the swimming pool in Voorburg, Delft.
Okay.
This
is where the
our swimming
27s
pool.
meet.
Yeah.
Okay.
That is where I grew up. And that was the streets at the end of the day. We started here as friends. You understand? Me
Okay.
and my other brothers.
Okay.
You understand?
But why do you think the young people or the other people that are joining gangsters?
Because they are not. It's not their decision. They only forced inside this thing because at the end of the day, when they approach the border and they come on the other side, then I maybe tell them, hey, you, what you do here? You
Okay.
come in. come and snitch on us here, what? You
Okay.
understand? And now he feels that.
So if you
he's pressurized.
are from another gangster, you can't come to this side. You
No,
can't
no.
even step your foot here.
No, you can come this side,
Okay.
but don't come here with you. Only your nyop. And
Okay.
what you want to do, you follow the rules.
Follow the rules.
How the thing
How
move
it works here. They are the kings of this side.
Yeah.
You rule your side. You
Yeah,
can't
you
rule this
you
side.
have your own side. You understand?
Okay.
If you a gangster and you in organization in part, you understand?
Okay.
That is how it is.
Okay. So guys, you have heard from the man himself. Now we wanna go look deep down in the location. Is there any location here, Roy?
Yeah. The
This-
streets, that's
good.
the streets.
Yeah, we can go into the streets.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go into the streets, guys, and see what we can get there. Let's go.
Honestly, I was so scared. You can even see by the way that I was walking in front. In case if anything goes wrong, I was gonna run away. One thing that I noticed about South Africans, they value their rights. When we got into Delft, we saw some South Africans protesting against the police. We don't know why. We tried filming them, but things almost went wrong. So basically, this man was trying to convince me to call my cameraman to come near and record me. But
We are here. We don't know what's happening here. The people, they are protesting right here in Delft. There's a puma of soldiers and there's police. I don't know people that are demonstrating. I don't know what they are doing. I don't know why they are demonstrating. But yeah, there's chaos as you can see here in the location. It's very dangerous. There's always fights and what.
so it only took us 3 seconds only to run away from that place because we were now scared. So we went to the location where this man told us everything that we wanted to know.
Vrouw to vrouw. Yeah, that is the streets. That is my brothers, my bro.
Okay.
You understand? That is all youngsters growing up here in the streets. You understand?
Okay.
That is our ghetto, man. You understand, my bro?
I see.
That's our point. Hartenberg, that is our ghetto 27, you understand?
Oh, so this is the location for the 27s.
Yeah. Many of our brothers, we already died here, but yeah, we are, as you can see.
I see.
You understand? We lost lot of brothers.
So you have to revenge. That's why the grudge keep on going.
Yeah,
Was
because
it they kill your brothers?
you need to pick up, you understand?
Yes.
If you take one, you come and take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of you. You
Revenge.
understand? That's the
Yes,
main
yes.
thing.
So do you have like an age where you have like to join the gangster, or you just have to be
There's no way out. Only one in, no way out.
okay? So
Death
there's no age.
or
From which
present.
age?
There's no age.
So have you gone like to prison before?
Yes, I've been in prison. I've been in prison.
So in prison, do they defend each other like the 27 versus other gangsters?
No, they don't fight. They don't fight.
They don't
there's
fight in
rules.
prison.
There's rules. But if there comes a fight, there has to be a reason for the
Yes.
fight.
How was your experience in prison?
Yo, my experience in prison.
Like
First time,
the first time
it
experience.
wasn't. It was. I know I don't know the streets. I don't know where I am, but I know I'm in prison. There's many guys, the 27s and 28s.
Do you
It's like a rough, man. It was like a rough.
a mix of gangsters there?
Yeah, you need to go there if you want the experience. People need to go there
Yes.
to get the experience.
Do you
But
remember-
I didn't want people to go there
I
because
see.
there's not a place for people.
Do you remember your first crime which took you there?
Yeah,
What was the first crime?
it was my first crime that took me there. It was a girl that accused me and my 3 brothers of attacking her and her sister.
Okay.
And you know what? And she told her
Yes.
that we raped her.
Oh, so she claimed
it
you were
wasn't like
accused.
that.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
we were accused of the thing.
Of raping. Yeah, I see. But why is it the gangsters, when they shoot each other or when they kill each other, when they go to prison, they'll come back early, like they don't do life in prison?
Because
How
they-
does it work?
Because that is the end of the day of the attorneys and all the stuff we got. It keeps you out of. We pay money to our attorneys. That's why our attorneys need to keep us out of prison. But at the end of the day, if you're not guilty, you are not guilty until proven guilty at the end of the day.
Oh, so even if you kill someone, as long as there's no evidence,
There's
you are
no
not
evidence.
guilty. As long as they are failing to prove that you are guilty, you are not guilty.
You are not guilty.
Do you regret being a gangster?
No, I don't regret it because it was a decision to be made in
It was a
your
decision.
life, and you know, as being a grown up, you know what is right and wrong. You make a right decision and
That's
a wrong
true.
decision.
Yeah, as a grown up, you know what to do.
Yeah.
But if we were to give you a chance to leave the gangster or maybe to start going to church or something, do you think you can do so? Or you can't, that's betrayal. Now you'll be like,
No, you
Be a
can't
snitch.
betray us and go to the other gang. It maybe you can go out to the gang and
Okay.
take yourself away and spend with your family, but don't join the other gang and come and fight with us in the silence.
In the sign.
We will find out and they will kill you because because information is something that runs quickly.
Yeah. I see. If you had to compare another locations, Kailicha, Nyanga, Delft, and other places, which place do you think is the most dangerous in Cape Town?
The most dangerous place in Cape Town
Yes,
is Delft, but at the end of the point, Kailicha, Site C.
Site C.
You understand?
Yeah.
Say by the bus stop.
Yes.
You understand? Seaside
Yes.
is the most dangerous place I know in Cape Town.
What about the most, like, yeah, the 27? The 27 are they in Delft only?
No, they're all around West
All
End
around.
Cape.
What was the most craziest fight between the gangsters or the 27? The most craziest fight that you have been, like the most crazy ones. The most when there's a lot of people that died, a lot of people were shot, a lot of people, What was the most fight, or what was the reason? What was the cause of
The
the fight?
most fight that I know about was the fight
Yes.
between the Pagat and Gangsters.
Yes.
Understand?
Yes.
The form, the core is
Yes.
the name. The time I wasn't even born, but I know about that time because as I growing up as a big boy today,
Yes.
there was people also inviting me with right
Yes.
and what was going on when the time when I wasn't there. You understand?
Yes.
This is all I can tell you about what I know.
I see. So, how is life in Delft? When it comes to work, when it comes to food, how are people surviving in Delft?
You know what the government doesn't give a fuck about anyone.
Yes.
The truth is here in the streets or only we are not victims, we are victims of the circumstances, you understand?
Yes, I see.
That's the thing.
So,
But here in Voorbrug, no, this is our place, but this is I like it to be here because it's very quiet.
it's very quiet.
And it's a nice location, but things happen
Yes.
in
So,
the silence. Why you think it's not happening?
So, for example, you choose to quit the 27s, not to go and snitch or not to go and join another gang, just to quit and say, I no longer want to do this. Does the guys kill you? Are they going to call you a snitch, or they can just leave you like that? You say, no. Guys, I want to leave this gangsterism thing.
There's no thing of leaving this thing. There's thing of saying, guys, you must spare me some 127 minutes. Minutes can be whenever.
Yes.
It can be over 100 years, 1,000 years, it can be over
Yes.
10 months, it can be over 2 seconds. But just for the time I need to spend with my family or so.
Yes.
You can't tell the guys that you finish with everything.
Finish. No, you just say,
you
I
need
need
to,
time with
you need to show them.
Yeah.
At the end of
It's a
the-
commitment.
Yeah, a commitment. You need to show them now, but that thing is something now that is, you know what? That is something that you can't. That's something that you're forwarding in life.
Yes.
You're not moving with these things anymore.
Yes.
You need to show it out so that
Yes.
they can see it also.
So-
At the end of the day, you are still part, but
Yeah.
you becomes a man on your own, a family man. Like you can see in Delft, our people we like to motivate our children.
Yes.
At the end of the day, with God, the word of God, because that's the
Yes.
thing at the end of the day going to save the world.
But there is another question. Is it a must to kill? If a gangster, you have to kill. You can't be a gangster if you can't kill. Or it
You
depends.
must be on the battlefield
Yes,
to say that you know the battlefield, you're a
Yes.
gangster.
And you can't sit on the battlefield. The battlefield you have to kill.
If your killer comes, he's a threat,
Yes.
you need to defend yourself at the end of the day. We call
Exactly.
it self-defense. You
But
understand?
do you regret after killing someone, or it's just a spirit like you're now a gangster?
No, it's not a-
You don't care. Like you,
Ah.
do you go home and sit and
My
say, "Oh,
mentality is not like that. Sometimes
you
I
just-
think about it, but I don't regret it. I know that
it's now normal. It's now part
it's
of.
normal, but it should have been like that because
But after like killing someone, like after shooting someone, after going home, do you think like I just killed someone, or you're cool with it? Yeah, it's now normal. Like
Yes, I
you're a
think-
gangster now, you know.
I already did it.
Do you have emotions?
Yes, I have emotions.
Do you feel pity for others? Like
Yes,
yeah,
100%.
Okay.
That's of myself. That's of my other brothers.
Yes.
That's what I say of myself. No, I'm a very gentle and cool guy. I like to.
Why is it the people that rob people in Delft or in other locations, they kill people when robbing people instead of just taking the phone or the money? What's the reason of killing them? Because there are some people that are not gangsters. There are some people that are just like civilians that are
Yeah,
working in the
then they
system.
kill you. You know what?
Why do they kill them?
Sometimes in a robbery, some of us are already in in the thing of being
Killing.
killing.
Okay.
Being killing machine. So then when we come and take this phone now,
Yeah.
and one of us say, hey, this guy,
Yes.
this guy's pushman. You know
Yes.
what? Fuck this
Yes.
guy.
Fuck this
and
guy.
You just
Take the phone.
shoot this guy.
Yes.
At the end of the day, or stab this guy. At the end of the day, you see, like this. I don't want to.
Yeah, it's
But
okay.
this is where you
It's
private
okay,
like
it's
this.
okay,
You
it's okay,
understand?
it's okay,
This
it's
is
okay.
how we move with guns. You understand?
Okay,
We
it's
don't
okay.
move without guns because at the end of the day.
Yes, yes.
You
So
know-
if you refuse now to be robbed, now that's when you're gonna mur your ass.
No.
Yeah, yeah.
They can't move you.
Yeah, yeah. You, what circumstances, or what sends you to use the gun to a person who is not a gangster?
I don't kill people that are not
You
gangsters.
deal with gangsters only.
I deal with only gangsters.
Okay, okay. So the last word. What's your last word to the people that are watching?
My last word is I encourage them to. I don't tell them that to not join this thing, but I
Okay.
tell them that there's no life in this game, man.
There's no life.
You
Yes.
need to make life.
You need to make
understand?
life, yes.
You need to act it out and make it your life. So
Yes.
if you chose this life,
Yes.
at the end of the day, you need to. It's your heart.
Yes.
Is the main thing, and you need to push through. Because if you give up, you're gonna give up and die.
You're gonna
at the
give
end
up.
of the day.
And then if you
Understand?
say you're gonna
you're
quit,
gonna lose faith.
if you quit, you're gonna die. There's no quitting in
Now
this
you
game.
can quit, but at the end of the day, I told you before that there is circumstances of
quitting.
this game. You understand?
Once you are in, you are in.
You are in. Understand?
Yes. Thank you so much, my brother. That was such a nice documentary. We are out here in Delft, but Delft is that dangerous? Which are the most dangerous places in Delft?
The most dangerous places that I know about is suburban, Delft South.
Suburbia. What about Leiden?
Blakisdorp, Westbank,
Yes.
Delft South. Understand?
I see.
Eindhoven.
Eindhoven.
Understand?
It's
Those are
dangerous.
places where they shoot every day.
What message do you want to give to the Uber drivers that have been robbed?
Uber drivers that are being robbed, those are just stupid guys that are robbing the Uber drivers and taking their lives at the end of the day because it's not worth it.
Yes.
Why you rob a black guy like
He's
you
trying
are?
to make life. He's trying to
They're
make a
trying to
living.
put a bread on the table.
See.
You understand? It's not for me, from my side, coming out of my, it's not on me.
Yes.
I don't agree with something like that. You understand? I know sometimes we are in different situations, we need to do things.
Yes.
You just need to living, but not taking someone other's life to
That's
put
true.
a bread on the table at the end of the day.
That's true.
We could just ask that guy and tell him the situation. If he understands from his heart and you put it so deep down, he will take it.
That's true. That's true. Thank you so much. You've heard it from the man himself. Thank you so much for watching the video today.
Yeah, boom.
Don't forget to
Salute,
comment, share,
salute.
subscribe.
Salute, yes. Wafat Isabelan. Wasabila Yalan.
So, I want to ask you. Let's say you want to rob me. For example, you want to rob me. How best can you scare me like that? See me walking.
I will not scare you. I just
Yeah.
come to your property and take everything there and tell you, hey, it's safe.
If I want to resist,
you want to resist?
yeah.
I will need you to show you
the
that I'm
gun.
very. No,
Okay.
I don't need to take out my gun.
Yes.
Because if I take out my gun at the end of the day, when I get a case,
Yes.
then I firearm robbing.
So I'm just walking like that. You just approach me and then
I will take your stuff.
let's do it. Okay, I'm walking like.
Me and another guy and then check. And then search out, take everything what you understand, your phone,
Then you-
everything.
so
then you go.
if you are getting robbed, what should you do? Let's say I get someone.
What
advice are you gonna give me?
If I see, if I get robbed
Yeah.
and I see that in the, I'm gonna lose my life in
Yes.
this,
Yes.
I'd rather stand back.
Just stand back.
No, I just
Let them take
when
what
the
they
guys
want.
come here, I just
Okay.
say, that's my words. I'll tell them.
Yes. If you
No,
comply,
no,
there's
guys.
not gonna be problems.
Please, sorry.
It's okay. So take
everything.
take.
Take everything.
Now, if you wanna be a man and fight, that's where the problem is gonna be.
That's where the problem starts because that's where you get killed.
That's where you get killed. It's
Because
not where
the
the
guys
phones
wasn't,
you can get another
the
one.
guys' mentalities wasn't to kill you.
Yeah, you want to
But
take
at
the
end of
things.
day, you stand with them
Yes,
and
yes.
you
Want to
show
fight.
them that you want to be stronger
Yes,
than them
yes.
and they 2, 3, maybe they have a gun or they can
Yes,
have a
yes.
knife.
Now they want to
Anything
deal with you.
happen, they lose your life.
You see, guys, if you wanna get robbed, just stand back, comply, and then you see,
You
let them
can
take
even
your stuff.
communicate. Yes, guys, why do you think this is right? Do you think this is right, guys? Yeah, that is
Exactly.
right. You understand? You go, tell you eat you whatever, but just ask them why are you doing this.
Yes.
You could have just asked me. I could have given you something and then we all to you something. There we go. But
Yes.
yeah, guys, that all the story that I have to you.
Thank you so
going the
much.
other
So
side.
when I was about to end the interview with this guy, some of the gangs they started pulling up from nowhere, and I was now scared and so uncomfortable. So I had to end the video and go to Bela to look for some street foods.
In my whole life, I've never been scared like what I did today. That was crazy. I don't want to lie. And I have never seen a. Should I talk about it? Okay. I've never seen a weapon that is more dangerous than I thought. This one, I was filming. When I saw something that I saw, I don't want to lie. I was now thinking about go home. But yeah, it is what it is. We did film in location, which is township. Now we are about to find the food and stuff like that. I'm pretty sure now it's gonna be cool. And should I be scared anymore? No. Let me go and grab some food there.
So guys, we're about to try the street food here. The meat and the pap. You know what I'm saying? So my bro, I said this one is 25.
Yeah,
Do you think we need how many pieces to finish the pap?
you can take 3 pieces.
3 pieces?
Yeah.
Okay, sure. Give us, please give us 3 big pieces. So guys, as you can see, we just ordered our pap and our meat. Look at this. Please do come here at Bela. Opposite this. What is this? Is this a hostel or what? It's a campus. It's opposite this campus. Please come and support this business. Thank you so much. Yeah. Okay, it's not gonna fall. Thank you.
My boss.
President General. You know what I mean? So guys, please do come here in Bela and support the business. Thank you so much. This is for you. Thanks so much, mommy. Let's get it. So guys, you have to come here in Bela. You really want to experience this. Is it experiencing this experience? I don't know, man. But you have to experience this. Try the street food here in the castle because you don't want to miss this. Let's go, let's get it. Why is he gay? This nigga is gay. Huh? Is it a girl? Is it a girl? I thought he's gay. Oh, I think we need to wash our hair. Where are we gonna? But it's okay. It's okay. Let's get it. So guys, this is the water that we're gonna use, to wash our hands. It's called we have to improvise. But if we die, just blame this water. Oh, it's smelling some pee here. Pee is smelling here so bad, man, bro. So guys, let's try this. Lekker, my bro. Yo, you see why I hate South African salsa? You see why I hate South African pap? It's sticks and ice. What? Oh. It's in my hand.
Anyways, we didn't like the pap, it was too sticky, but the meat was a 10. Anyways, I'm sure you guys are now traumatized. It'll be like, so how are people surviving in Cape Town? How are they jolling? There are other safe places in Cape Town like Kesbe where you can get people, whites. If you notice, there are no whites in the locations because I don't know. Maybe they don't feel safe. It's nothing which includes racism, but I feel like they don't feel safe. But if you want to socialize with other people, girls, what, if you go to Camps Bay and other suburbs, it's very safe and it's so peaceful. In fact, let me show you when we're in Camps Bay and when we're trying, to drop some pickup lines.
Yeah, guys, we're trying to see what we can give you all. You know, at the end of the day, I have my girlfriend, she trained garage, you know what I mean? Oh! You know what I mean? What we are seeing here is just temptations all over my bro. Temptations all over my bro. But my girlfriend, if you are watching this, just know that I'm the honest man in the world. You know what I mean? We're just doing this for the people, for the gang. For the gang. You have to zoom in from afar. Because if you follow me with the camera, it's gonna be a problem. But it's okay. Guys trying to test my powers, you know what I mean? But I don't get finished, you know what I mean? Let me rush there. You know what I mean? 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 Ah, where? I'm the goat. Ish, I think I'm late for the, what do you call it? Picnic. I think I'm late, ne? But at least there's still food, you know what I mean? How is it? How are you? Why are you looking so?
I don't know.
How are you?
Fine, thanks.
Can I greet you?
Why are you recording?
Because I'm doing content. You don't want to be on my channel?
Uh-uh.
Why? But I want to put you on my channel. You don't want to be on my channel? So guys, we're out here at the picnic. What's the name?
It's
Zim. Like as in Zimbabwe.
Yeah.
Oh, and you?
Iman.
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 Imanje. Are you guys from Eastern Cape?
Yeah.
Oh, I see. So guys, what I'm trying to shoot here, I'm looking for 2 wives. I'm from Zimbabwe. In Zimbabwe, we do polygamy. So I'm looking for 2 wives
Okay.
to take to Zimbabwe. And I was like, I thought you guys are cute. Maybe I can take you to Zimbabwe.
We already married.
You're already married. I can marry you for the second time.
No.
Why not?
Because we don't want.
They always say the same thing.
They always say the same thing. Ne?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. Can I have the mic? Can I please have the mic?
Yeah, yes.
Okay. Oh. Okay. I want to ask you, ne, what do you think about polygamy? Polygamy, like marrying 2 wives upwards.
I don't like polygams actually.
But I think I want to, polygamy you too.
I
What
do
you
not
think?
like them.
You don't want? What about just taking you only?
Came to the wrong people.
The wrong people. Okay. What about taking one of you? Which one? Which one am I going with? This one. I know. Which one is sing here? You're the one who is sing here. You're married. So
Yes.
which one is sing?
I think none of us.
But
None of us.
none of you.
You're both married.
Okay, I can like date you with your boyfriend. What do you think?
You what?
I wanna date you with your boyfriend.
No, I'm good.
Why?
I'm good, because I'm good.
Guys, I just got rejected. What about you? You can't reject me.
No,
But look, you're my type, the height and everything, the color. What do you think?
I don't want to.
I know you're single.
I'm not single.
Okay, besides being
Serious.
single, what's your type?
A tall, dark-skinned James.
Oh, I'm tall and I'm dark.
Nonchalant.
I'm very nonchalant.
Affectionate.
What else?
I do-
Maybe your BF is he nonchalant?
Yes.
Maybe I'm more nonchalant. Yeah.
Oh.
Where do you stay?
Nyanga.
Nyanga. Oh,
Yes.
so maybe I can take your number and take you out sometimes. Yeah, thank you. Can I please have the phone, bro? Do you wanna say no? You can't say no. You can't say. Do you have an Instagram? Do you want my followers to follow you?
Yes.
Okay. What's your Instagram?
Imange Kapai. My IG handles.
Your IG handles.
Imange Kapai.
Imangle Kapadle. How do you spell?
Imange.
How do you spell it?
IMAN.
Don't worry, my audience is from Zimbabwe. No one is gonna see. Even a boyfriend is not gonna see you. And you said you don't wanna be my girlfriend also.
No, I didn't say that.
What did you say? Yeah, look at
said
my
I'm
type, you know. Dark skinned, you know, I mean. Chocolate.
I said I'm good. I said I'm good. I said
So
I'm
what are you saying?
nothing.
Maybe I can date you after a boyfriend.
No.
After dating your friend.
No.
Maybe I can date you with a friend.
No.
But still you can give me your number still.
No.
Thank you.
No.
Are you loyal to a boyfriend?
Yeah?
Is he rich?
Yes, he is.
Maybe I'm richer than him.
No, you're not.
Maybe I can take care of you more than him.
No, you won't.
What makes you so sure?
Because I'm sure.
Are you judging the book by its cover?
No.
So why are you so sure?
Because I am sure.
This is why it is. So guys, we're gonna be taking, you said Imantle.
Imange.
Do you have a second name?
No.
You don't have a second name. Did you take a number? Oh, thank you. You, when I see you, I'm gonna call you some scholars on you, ne? I'm telling you. Thank you so much. We're gonna give you the link for the video. Okay, where are we going next, cameraman?
Hello. I have one question for you.
Sorry, no.
No, okay, it's fine. No questions. No. It's okay. Sometimes you can't get what you're looking for, but as long you keep on chasing, you keep on looking, you're gonna find what you're looking for. Maybe she has I can ask her. Maybe she's going. Oh, Jesus.
If you're a goat,
I'm not a goat.
you ain't a goat, bro.
There's no goat here. Who do you think I can try to approach here?
That's fine.
Okay. Where?
So rumors are saying up to now this guy is still searching for a girl to approach. I bet guys, if you have enjoyed the video, please make sure you like, comment, share and you subscribe. And if you have watched to the end, make sure you write down W documentary. Let's get it.